Before we talk about computer programming, let's talk about a computer. So what is a computer? A computer is basically an electronic device that takes raw data as input, processes the data, and presents the data either onto the output device or into a permanent storage. A computer typically includes the hardware and the software. Hardware is the physical aspect of the computer, such as the motherboard, the memory, and the CPU that we can physically touch. Software is a set of instructions that we give to the computer, telling the computer how to perform tasks for us. Some of the software applications we are very familiar with are Microsoft Word, or PowerPoint that we almost use every day, or apps running on our cell phones. In order for a computer to run, an operating system must be installed on that computer. An operating system, or OS, is a set of software programs that manage and control a computer's activities. Some of the operating systems we are familiar with are Windows. Lots of our PCs are running on this operating system. Apple. The Apple PCs or Apple phones are running on this operating system. Linux. Lots of the network computers are running on this operating system. Or Android. Our Android cell phones are running on this operating system. Software is developed with a programming language. A programming language is a formal language that consists of instructions for computers. Developers use a programming language to implement their algorithms. In fact, the term programming language we usually talk about refers to the high-level programming language. The high-level programming language is English-alike, human-readable language that developers use to write their source code. Although it is human-readable, but it is not machine-understandable. In order for a machine to understand your instructions, a high-level language must be converted into machine language. The process of converting a high-level language into a machine language is called compilation. The tools that do compilation are called compilers. In ancient times, software developed for Windows operating system only works for Windows. Software developed for Apple only works for Apple operating system. One day Java stood up and said, software developed with Java can run on any operating systems. Everybody was surprised and asked, how did you do that? This is how Java works. The inventors of Java invented something cool called Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Java Virtual Machine is an emulation of a computer system that provides functions of a physical machine. Or we can say, Java Virtual Machine is a software machine embedded into a physical machine. Each operating system installs its own version of the Java Virtual Machine. And as the Java Virtual Machine is friendly to Java, so Java can run on any operating systems.